Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I filmed this look right here. This started off with me wanting to do an EDC music festival inspired look, but I kind of changed my mind midway. But of course, if you're going to a music festival and you want to recreate this and do this, you're obviously more than welcome to. There's no rules when it comes to makeup and stuff like that. But I wanted to do something just fun, easy, colorful, something a little different that I featured on my channel before. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this palette, and I'm going to start with this yellow, and I'm going to start off by kind of just creating a shape. And I'm just going up above my crease. And then bringing it out a little bit. So as you can see, I'm bringing this pretty high up and I'm winging it out and going kind of far. I'm going to take a little bit of that orange and I'm going to place that right underneath the yellow. And then I'm pulling this orange out a little bit. Well, actually, I'm pulling it out pretty far. Now I'm going to go in with that hot pink, and I'm still using the same brush, and I'm just putting this underneath that orange. And this hot pink is going to go all over the lid. I'm going to take a flat brush to really intensify it, but I just really want to create the shape. So once I've created that shape, I'm taking that same hot pink and I'm just laying and packing this onto my lid. I'm going to take a little bit of that orange and I'm going to run this onto the lower lash line. So I'm going to take this orange and bring it pretty far down. I'm just going to connect it to the pink up here. Now going back in with that first brush, there's still a little bit of that pink and all the other colors. I'm just going to run this underneath just to further blend. And there'll be a little bit of pink and all those colors mixed in. So I'm going to take a little bit of Fresh from LA Girl and pop this into my waterline. So I'm going to take a little bit of this blue right here and I'm just going to pack this onto my inner tear duct. So going in with this SugarPill Lumi Pigment, I'm going to also pop this into my inner tear ducts and I'm just going to dampen the brush a little bit. I'm also going to take that same Lumi Pigment and just pop it onto the center of the lid. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue. In the inner portion because I'm going to pop a rhinestone on there. I applied my lashes off camera. This is Flutter Lashes Slayla. This is the Makeup Shayla and their collab. This no longer exists. And I'm going to add a little bit more bronzer on my face. I've already bronzed up my face, but I'm going back in with my True Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in a light medium. And I'm just going to mix together both of these shades. I'm just going to add a very small amount all over my face. And I'm just going to work this into the eyeshadow a little bit. So So I'm going to go in with e.l.f.'s Baked Shadow in Enchanted. I'm just going to use it as a highlighter. I'm also going to add this to the brow bone. Just a small amount. And the nose. And for the blush, I'm going in with Peachy Love from Anastasia. And I'm just going to mix all 3 shades and just pop this onto the apples of my cheek. I'm going to line my lips with Morphe's Sugar Pie. I'm going to take MAC's Impulsive from their PowderKiss collection. Now I'm also going to go in with this nude stick called Go Girl, and I'm just going to apply it into the center. I think I want the center a little lighter, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Peachstock from MAC. Okay, so this is a completed look. I really like the way it turned out. It was just really bright, colorful, really easy, just a lot of blending, and you know, added a rhinestone just for a little bit extra. Obviously you don't need to do that, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.